There are different venture choices accessible in the crypto world. One of them is Abracadabra. The recipe for acquiring benefits on interests in Abracadabra is basic. The blockchain framework makes financial backers benefit from their security. The new convention can measure up to a property you took a credit and got lease for it. The Abracadabra convention offers a DeFi answer for present-day issues, and its local token is Spell. Spell token is viewed as an answer for its rivals' inadequacies. Spell utilizes 3 unique tokens to loan cash in Abracadabra. The considerations are EVO ETH, EVO SDC, and XSASHI. Qualified clients can involve the organization for loaning inactive web cash and procure recurring, automated revenue. Abracadabra's Magic LP Cauldron has $8.40 MIM accessible to acquire. They are strategically situated for the developing interest of utilized yield cultivating of at GMXEO, particularly after last week's expanded instability. GLP is printing 51.9% APR while Magic LP clients acquire between 69%–346% APY. Figure out more from Twitter. The 2 critical tokens in the Abracadabra convention are MIM and Spell. These 2 are associated with the smooth running of the fundamental elements of the referenced environment. MIM means sorcery web cache and is the lead accomplice in marking alongside Spell. The essential capability of these 2 monetary forms is marking. They are utilized on the Ethereum stage and work from marking. When marked on the discussion, they have different advantages. The primary advantages that the Spell token brings are a job in administration and bringing recurring, automated revenue. Whenever you have put resources into the Spell token, you have casting a ballot rights bringing about a job in administration. The more Spell tokens you have, the more you will have something to do with choices. The automated revenue comes to the clients as a level of exchanging charges. 75% of the exchanging expense goes to financial backers. The rest is for different purposes. Consequently, Spell digital money works in the decentralized blockchain framework, offering various advantages. At present positioning 206 in the rundown, Spell token has been one of the top gainers. The symbolic conjecture depends on past execution and current measurements. The ongoing cost for the Spell token is 2 cents, while it has seen an ascent of 2.95% as of now. How really does Spell token function? Since its send-off in August 2021, according to the accessible information on CoinMarketCap, the Spell token has seen an enormous ascent. You should know how it functions and the key to its development. Spell token specialized investigation shows that this symbolics convention is not quite the same as others. The convention is in segregated loaning business sector, and it brings in the client's mystical cash. Abracadabra finishes this cycle in 5 stages, which are as per the following. The initial step is the store of the insurance sum on Abracadabra. The subsequent stage is the obligation allotment to the borrower, and in this way the borrower becomes qualified to take the advantage of interest. The third step is the store of MIM tokens put away in the borrower's wallet. The last step is the financial backer's free utilization of MIM. They can keep utilizing it or strip it by transforming it into government-issued currency or another cryptographic money. Spell token value history. The exhibition for the Spell token has been good assuming we check its enormous ascent out. The beneath given diagram from Wallet Financial Backer shows that it has performed outstandingly since its send-off in August 2021. Starting from $0 the 17th of August 2021, the Spell token has ascended to the levels of 3 cents on the 1st of November 2021. The mind-boggling ascent in 90 days, abandoning many coins, shows this coin's true capacity for future development. Alongside the specialized examination of verifiable information, its forecasts show a wise speculation. Abracadabra convention has involved itself in the NFT space. Obviously, the NFT space experienced unbelievable development and flooded to a $40 industry in 2021, securing a lot of capital in the new resource class. Abracadabra presented the ABRANFT, a distributed loaning business sector to permit NFT gatherers to open time-sensitive getting positions in their valuable NFTs. The ABRANFT will acquaint Abracadabra Cash with the NFT environment, assisting ranchers and retail clients with getting the best from their NFTs. An examination of Spell shows that the coin is in a positive pattern, with a low of $0. This comes after the computerized resource saw a bullish ascent and arrived at a high of $0. The Spell token is in the green for the day as the bulls are in power. Moment help is accessible at $0. Spell costs might test the $0 in the event that this level is penetrated. Then again, in the event that costs can propel past the $0, it could open the entryway for a transition to the $0. Spell, nonetheless, is presently selling for $0. The bulls are driving the cost back up. The chances appear to be on the bulls' side, and Spell is expected to be an imperative year. The SPEL token might rise fundamentally over the long run for long-haul financial backers, making it a possibly significant computerized resource in the undeniably unfriendly digital money market, which has considerably impacted all digital currencies. The SPEL token's ongoing cost development makes it one of only a handful of exceptional bullish digital currencies. SPEL Value Expectation 2023. Our SPEL cost expectation for 2023 is expected to soar, arriving at a limit of $0. A base cost of $0 likewise plausible, and the expenses could remember soon to get a typical cost of $0. SPEL Value Expectation 2024. Our SPEL cost expectation for 2024. SPEL is supposed to achieve a greatest value worth of $0 the year's over. The Solana network coin figure proposes the typical cost to be $0, while the base conjecture cost is $0. SPEL Value Expectation 2025. Our SPEL cost forecast for 2025 is a most extreme cost of $0. The coin is supposed to hit its most reduced cost at $0. The typical exchanging cost of the cash is supposed to be $0. SPEL Value Expectation 2026. Our SPEL cost expectation for 2026 anticipates that SPEL should arrive at least cost of $0, a normal of $0, and it is normal before the year's over to have arrived at a greatest cost of $0. SPEL Value Expectation 2027. Our SPEL cost expectation for 2027 states that the SPEL value reach will hit a greatest base cost of $0. We anticipate that the computerized coin should proceed with its bullish run from the earlier year while keeping a base and normal cost of $0 individually. SPEL Value Expectation 2028. Our SPEL cost gauge for 2028 shows that the token is supposed to arrive at a most extreme cost of $0. Our projections express that the cost of SPEL will vary between a low of $0, a typical cost of $0 year-long. SPEL Value Expectation 2029. Our SPEL cost forecast for 2029 proposes a base worth of $0. The resource's cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 1 cent, with a typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2029. SPEL Value Expectation 2030. Our SPEL cost figure for 2030 shows that the cost of SPEL will arrive at a limit of 1 cent. Moreover, a base cost of 1 cent is logical, and costs may presently backtrack to arrive at a typical cost of 1 cent. SPEL Value Expectation 2031. Our SPEL cost forecast for 2031 anticipates that SPEL should arrive at any rate cost of 2 cents, a normal of 2 cents, and it is normal before the year's over to have arrived at a greatest cost of 2 cents. SPEL Value Expectation 2032. Our SPEL cost expectation for the 2032 symbolic shows that SPEL will ascend from its ongoing level and experience an ascent in cost. The coin ought to cost no less than 3 cents, normal 3 cents, and have a most extreme pinnacle cost of 3 cents, as per our forecast. And numerous financial backers in the crypto market are contemplating whether this present time is the best opportunity to put resources into the SPEL token. The symbolic's cost has been somewhat steady of late. However, when the crypto market was blasting as of late, the SPEL token saw a huge cost rise. The SPEL token is presently famous because of its persistent cost activity. It has showed up in many moving segments of most crypto destinations. The token